Welcome to a new journey. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, my lovely listeners. You're tuning in to the Amira English Learning Podcast, your happy home for learning English step by step. I'm your host, Amira, and today we are diving deep into one of the most powerful ways to learn English, a simple 15-minute daily routine.
And I'm Khuram, joining you with a big smile and even bigger energy. Friends, if you've ever felt overwhelmed, tired, or confused about how to learn English every day, you're not alone. But here's the good news, we're about to make it all feel easy, fun, and totally possible.
That's right. Today we're going to break the idea of daily English learning into tiny, delicious, bite-sized pieces. Think of this episode as your guidebook, your personal action plan for English success, even if you're super busy.
And trust me, whether you're a student, a parent, a business owner, or someone just starting their English journey, this episode will give you clear tools that you can use every single day.
In this podcast, we're going to explore why 15 minutes is all you really need, how to break that time into 3 easy parts, and how to keep going every day without stress.
Oh yes. And we'll also sprinkle in some pronunciation practice, small challenges, storytelling, and listener shout-outs. So stay with us until the end, you'll love what's coming.
Why 15 minutes? The science and magic of microlearning. So let's begin by answering the big question. Why 15 minutes? Why not 1 hour? Or 2? Or 10? What makes this short, tiny amount of time so special for English learners?
Great question, Amira. The answer comes from brain science. You see, our brains can only stay focused for a short time before getting tired. Most people start losing focus after about 15 to 25 minutes.
Yes. And in those first 15 minutes, our brain is fresh, awake, and ready to take in new information. So if we learn for just 15 minutes, but we do it every day, our brain says, "Hey, I like this. I remember this."
That's called consistency over intensity. It's not about how long you study in one day. It's about how often you return to the language. Just like exercising your body, doing 10 push-ups every day is better than 100 push-ups once a month.
I love that comparison. And the best part? Anyone can find 15 minutes. While making tea, walking to work, or before bed. It's flexible, and it works around your life.
Exactly. And by the end of today's episode, you'll have a clear plan for what to do with those 15 minutes. Get ready, it's going to be life-changing. Exactly. Listening is the foundation.
Part 1. Listening. 5 minutes train your ears. Let's jump into the first part of your daily routine, listening practice. This is where we train our ears and our brains to understand English naturally, like a child learning their first language.
Babies learn to speak by listening first. They don't start with grammar books. So, let's follow nature's method.
So here's your task. Every day, spend 5 minutes listening to something in English. It could be a short podcast like this one, a YouTube video, or a conversation clip. Just 5 minutes. Yes. And here's a tip. Use subtitles at first, then try without them. Your goal is to understand the general meaning, not every single word. Don't stress about perfection.
And for beginners, I recommend using tools like the BBC Learning English app or the Voice of America Learning English website. They speak slowly and clearly, perfect for training your ears. And try something we call shadowing. That means you listen to a short sentence and immediately repeat it out loud, like an echo. It helps with pronunciation and fluency.
Let's try one now. I'll say a sentence, and you repeat after me. Ready? I love learning English every day. Pause, say it again. I love learning English every day.
Great job. Now let's go faster. I love learning English every day. Repeat it naturally. That's it, you're already doing shadowing.
Part 2, Speaking. 5 minutes find your voice. Now, it's time to use your voice. Speaking is often the scariest part for learners, but don't worry, we'll make it fun and simple.
Absolutely. You don't need to talk to a native speaker every day. You can practice by yourself. Speaking out loud builds confidence, even if nobody else hears you.
Try this, every day. Spend 5 minutes talking about your day in English. What did you do this morning? What will you eat for lunch? What are your plans tomorrow?
Yes. For example, today I woke up at 6:30 a.m. I brushed my teeth. I had coffee and toast for breakfast. Keep it short and sweet.
Another idea is to ask yourself questions. What's my favorite movie? And then answer, my favorite movie is Spider-Man. This way, you practice both asking and answering.
You can also use your phone. Open the voice recorder and speak for 1 minute. Then listen. Do this every day, and you'll be amazed at your progress in 1 month. Yes.
And don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you're learning. Just speak. Speak with love. Speak with curiosity. Speak with joy.
Be your own cheerleader. Speak loudly. Speak softly. Speak with a smile. Just speak, because your voice is your superpower.
Part 3, Vocabulary. 5 minutes build your word bank. Finally, the last 5 minutes of your routine, vocabulary building. This is where you grow your English word garden, 1 word at a time.
And you don't need to memorize 50 words a day. That's too much. Just 5 words per day is enough. In 1 month, that's 150 new words.
Let's learn together. Today's words are appointment, neighbor, delicious, always, tired. Let's use them in sentences. I have a dentist appointment at 3 p.m. My neighbor has a cute dog. This soup is so delicious. She always drinks green tea in the morning. I feel tired after work. Now, repeat the words with me. Appointment, neighbor, delicious, always, tired. Good. Say them again, and try to use them in your own sentences today. You can also write these words in a notebook or use apps like Quizlet. Add a picture, a synonym, or even a translation to make it stick. And review, review, review. Don't forget old words. Learning is about remembering again and again until it becomes automatic. Yes, repetition is your friend. Review every 3 days. Speak the words. Hear the words. Write the words. Use the words. Closing your 15-minute routine in action. So, my friends, here's your full routine. 1. Listening, 5 minutes. 2. Speaking, 5 minutes. 3. Vocabulary, 5 minutes. That's 15 minutes total, and it can change your life.
And you don't need anything fancy. Just your phone, your notebook, your ears, and your voice. You've got everything you need to succeed.
Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. You are building your English muscle every single day.
So make it a habit. Set a timer. Celebrate your progress. And smile, because you are doing something amazing for your future.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We believe in you. And we can't wait to see your English grow.
See you in the next episode of the Amira English Learning Podcast. Until then, keep learning, keep laughing, and keep loving English.